For notaries, making flawless impressions with your stamp is a fundamental requirement. To start, place the document to be notarized on a firm, flat surface. Remove the cover at the bottom of the stamp. Place the printing surface of your stamp flat on your document. Apply firm, even pressure, then release. All letters, numbers, the stamp border, and state seal, if included, should be clearly imprinted. If the impression is not clear, it may be legally unacceptable and rejected. To fix an unclear impression, cross through it and reapply the stamp next to it. If there's no room for another stamp, cross out the notary wording along with the unclear impression and write "See attached certificate." Then complete a new certificate with an acceptable seal and attach it to the document. When finished, put the cover back on the stamp to protect it.